We had an amazing birthday party yesterday, and thanks to this party supplies, Leslie's Party Supplies in Elgin, Texas. So, if you are living in Austin, then this would be an ideal place to rent chairs and also to rent tables. So these are foldable tables. As you can see, this appears to be very flat, but under it you have two legs which you can extend and also lock it. So we basically ordered, for example, around 5 tables. Okay, and 5 tables were kind of sufficient for about 30 adults and 20 children. So there were around 30 adults, 15 men and 15 women, and there were around 20 adults. And the children were playing in the backyard. They did not use the tables and the chairs much because they varied from ages 0 to 9 years of age. So we basically ordered around 35 to 36 chairs, and the chairs were kind of sufficient because it was more than the number of adults in the party. And 5 tables were not kind of sufficient. It is because 2 tables were used just to put the food so that the people can grab food and eat it on their plates. So it is for self service. So the food was put on 2 tables, and one table was used for the cutting of the birthday cake. So that was used as a makeshift table between the dining area and also for the cake cutting. But if you don't want to shift the table from the dining area to the cake cutting area and arrange the cake cutting table with decorations directly at the party, then you have to order one separate table for the cake cutting. So that would be 3 tables. So 2 tables on which the food is kept for self service, and then there is one table for the cake cutting, and then a rest of the 3 tables would be in the dining area where people would sit and eat. And we arranged the dining area in the backyard, so I can show you the backyard. So, as I was saying, here was the birthday cake table, and we basically used a table that was used in the dining area and shifted it to this area for cake cutting. But it was a hassle because we had to arrange all the decorations and the gifts during the time of cake cutting for the photo sessions. And here we had a food table, so on which the food was kept, and then there was another table over this monitor which was used to place kids food items and also for the plastic cutlery and cutlery in general. So those were 3 tables, and then you require 3 tables in the dining area. So this was the area where we put one table, this was another table, and this was another table, and there were a lot of chairs. So in total we ordered about 36 chairs. So 36 chairs would be sufficient for 30 adults plus 20 children, because most of the time the children are playing. Uh, some are very young, who are babies. And this area backyard was used for playing by children, and the party time was set during sunset. So basically the sunset is at 8 p.m. and the party started at 6 p.m. And the dinner was had at 6 p.m., and then the cake cutting session happened at 8 p.m. And it was a beautiful party, and this is the party idea. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
The current prices of the packages that Leslie Party Rentals offer in Texas. So the package one, it is having jumper 32 chairs and 4 tables which are 6 feet, 4 table covers plastic and 12 balloons. It's around $125. Then there are other packages as well that you can see, but in my party we just order chairs and table. As much as I remember, the price was very less, close to $75. So these are different packages if you have children coming to the party and if you want them to do or play on jumpers or sliding jumpers, then you can order one of the packages from Leslie Party Rentals.